Hey there guys, your good buddy Eric from the Action Toys channel, and today we are going to be working on a He-Man figure. Many faces, and he needs a new He-Band. Now, as always, you're going to need some hot water, a screwdriver, and a string. Alright guys, let's continue. Okay guys, we're back. The legs are heating up in some boiling, or at least some hot water. And we got our He-Band from the Collector's Platoon. Okay, so we're going to do this. We're going to heat this up. Just something to make it a little bit more pliable and easier to use. And as always, I'm going to grab my strings to make this process a little bit easier. Okay guys, let's continue. Okay guys, once you got your He-Band in there, dip it in some water for a little bit, let it get pliable. We're going to put this string through here. Oh. Okay. So we're going to check the inside, make sure it's all clear of any obstructions. Looks like part of the, yeah, this looks to be broken. Okay. No problem, it happens. They don't always last the test of time. Okay. Okay. That is unfortunate that broke, but it happens. Oh, there we go. See how nice and easy that went through? We want to try that one more time now. Wait, which one was it? Okay, this one. Okay. Wham. Now we're good to go. Okay. We're going to fish this out. Oh. There we go. Nice and simple. Okay. Put this up in here, like so. Hold it. Just so you want to get in there like that. Now you want to make sure this is oriented so it will go down like that. Okay. So you won't end up ripping the head off of the figure, or the band, sorry. So you end up like that. Easy enough. Now you just want to make sure you check the orientation of your stuff before you put it in. Okay. Oh, we've got to put this in the hot water. Okay, we're going to hold on to it this time. Not going to lose it. Give it a 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now it should be good. That should be oriented properly. Whoop, gotta move the cup out of the way. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Doing this in my left hand doesn't work very well because my hand doesn't work in the first place. Okay. All right, we're gonna take. Whoop! Don't want to lose that. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we're going to be very careful. Pull this down a little bit. Okay, so there we go. About 5-6 minutes of work, and then you got yourself a good figure. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. As always, stay awesome.